Hello everyone, I am Saurav and welcome on our YouTube channel on its school. In this video, I am going to show you how you can reset your Gmail account password without using any phone number verification in 2020. But before starting this video, if you never subscribe our YouTube channel yet, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Now enter your email address on Gmail login portal and click on forget password to reset your Gmail account password. After clicking on forget password, a new page opened. On this page you will be asked for your last password that you remembered. If you remembered your last password, enter here, otherwise click on try another way. Here I remembered a password that I used before my current password. After filling the last password, click on the next. On next page you get the phone verification option if you linked your Gmail account with your phone number. Otherwise, you get the next option where you need to provide your Gmail account creation month and year. After submitting the all details, if your details are correct, you get the password reset page. Otherwise, you get a message we need some time to review. Here you can see we get the password reset option. Hope you enjoy our today's video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.